Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to get an overdraft on Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to access a bit of extra cash when your balance dips low, Revolut's overdraft feature can be a lifesaver, but it's important to use it responsibly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a Revolut account. If you don't have one yet, download the app from your phone's app store and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Just provide your basic details like your name, email, and phone number. Once you're in, make sure your account is active and you've verified your identity, as this is crucial for any financial features. Next, check your eligibility. Revolut typically looks at factors like your age. You need to be at least 18, your credit history, and how you've managed your account so far. In 2025, they might have updated criteria, so keep an eye out for any new requirements in the app. To build a strong case, maintain regular transactions and keep your account in good standing. Now, head to the Overdraft section in the Revolut app. You can find this under the Accounts or Features tab. It's usually straightforward. Click on it and follow the prompts to apply. You'll need to specify how much overdraft you want, up to the limit Revolut offers, which could be based on your profile. During the application, Revolut might ask for additional info, like your income or employment details, to assess your risk. Be honest and accurate here, as this affects approval. Once submitted, wait for a response. It could take a few minutes to a couple of days. If approved, congrats! You'll see your overdraft limit added to your account. Remember, overdrafts come with interest, so only use what you need and pay it back promptly to avoid fees. In 2025, Revolut might have new tools for tracking this, so explore the app's features. In conclusion, getting an overdraft on Revolut is a smart way to handle short-term cash needs, but always prioritize your financial health. If you follow these steps, you'll be set. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.